Ford plugged in and on battery charge. Gonna be making a video putting a steering wheel knob on it tomorrow. So snapping the whole battery charger plugged in. Got the block heater going on it, so because that's why you plug it in, because it has a block heater. I don't know if it works or not. I'll tell tomorrow, because if it starts real easy, then that obviously it works. But it usually doesn't start without starting fluid. I want to see if I get it to start without starting fluid, so I'll let you guys know. Tomorrow's Friday, then I gotta take this off, go heat that up and bend that whole thing back, because when I was moving it with the backhoe, I bent that thing. I want it flat. I want to heat it up so it doesn't crack and bend it back some. So I'll work on that while I'm here, and I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Thanks for watching.